Endless grind. Endless grind. Comment, like, subscribe.
Yeah. Wednesday morning. We're headed to the laundromat because our washing machine has taken a shit. So, that's what we're doing right now. Why are we doing this?
Because our frickin' washer broke.
I'm off to pick James up. He should be walking on his way home from school. Absolutely exhausted, guys. Totally exhausted. Gnarly headache too. Looks like James is like halfway home. Maybe that's not James. So, how was your presentation?
Good.
Yeah? Did you get a mark on it yet?
No, I didn't get it back.
You didn't get it back yet? Why don't you tell everybody what you did your project on?
Statue of Liberty.
And yeah, you did get to present it today?
Yeah, that was the first one.
Cool.
Because Mark and Tom had to suggest that I went first. The teacher.
Well, that was the longest drive ever.
That was the longest walk ever.
I didn't figure you'd even have left the school yet. That was like a 2-minute drive. Okay guys, just the last part of the day. Here comes Bobby. There she is. Okay, last part of the day. I just wanted to let you know, please come and join us tomorrow night at blogtalkradio.com/BillyCTV. We're discussing the isms of religion with special guest James Mills.
/ Bobby / Randy.
Yeah, so it'll be me, Billy, Bobby. James Mills is our special guest. He's going to keep everyone in line. So come on over.
I'm sure he is.
blogtalkradio.com/BillyCTV. Be there 8 Central, 9 Eastern. All right, we'll see you there. And I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.